The need for behavioral health services has been on the rise in the Wabash Valley, and that need has increased even more throughout the last year.
That has one local health department looking for a way to expand. News 10 Bureau Chief Gary Bryan explains how Jasper County, Illinois now has a way to meet the demand.
Sarah Bush Lincoln has opened a new clinic here in Newton that has left their old clinic vacant. But this building won't be empty for long. During 2020, the Jasper County Health Department was busy trying to fight COVID-19. That meant working on a virus that was relatively unknown. But taking on that fight also brought another need, a rise in behavioral health.
It was a need before, it's become more of a need after COVID. So many people were shut in. A lot of people were stressed over what was going on.
For Deborah Riddle and her staff at the health department, fighting one pandemic was plenty of work. But handling the increase in behavioral health needs has been difficult. They can do the job well, but staff just don't have the space to do it.
So this, of course, can't be used for anybody that's handicapped. We've got an office down here. And then we use this space here also.
Multiple counselors will use the same room, which means their ability to serve is limited.
Have to take turns seeing clients and so forth. We have over 60 people on a waiting list for counseling services, so the space was just desperately needed.
That's where Sarah Bush Lincoln steps in. The health system recently opened a new clinic in Newton, leaving their old one vacant. That clinic will now house the health department's behavioral health operations.
We'll offer DUI, substance abuse, mental health, mental illness counseling, and so forth in that new building. So it'll give them a lot more space. We'll be able to see a lot more clients.
Giving Riddle and her staff more tools to tackle the county's health. The health department hopes to be moved into their new facility by the end of the year. In Newton, Gary Bryan, News 10.